25, the first flight lieutenant from Varanasi, Shivangi Singh, is about to make history, and she was only 15 when she first framed her dreams of wanting to touch the sky. She was in her teens when her grandfather took her to the Air Force Museum in Delhi. When Shivangi Singh returned home, her mother said she couldn't stop talking about the plane's flight and more than anything, the sight of women in uniform. 10 years on, Shivangi, 25, is one of the only 10 women fighter pilots in the country and is undergoing rigorous training to become the first woman to fly the Rafale fighter jet. She joined the Indian Air Force fighter stream in 2017. She flew the MiG-21 Bison aircraft soon after being commissioned and was until recently serving at a fighter base in Rajasthan. Once her conversion training is done, this is the training required whenever a pilot has to switch from one aircraft type to another. The Varanasi girl will join the number 17 squadron based in Ambala, Haryana, a squad also known as the Golden Arrows. From the place of temple chimes, look at this girl as she shines. It's heartening that the Indian Air Force gave Shivangi a fair chance. I am so proud I donned the Indian Air Force Blues, a service that shows that you can dream and live that dream, said Wing Commander retired Anupama Joshi, who was in the first batch of women officers commissioned into Indian Air Force in 1993. There are a total of about 4,000 women in the Indian Armed Forces, but combat roles are off limits to most. It was only in 1992 that women were first allowed to join the armed forces outside the medical stream. Tanks and combat positions in the infantry remains no-go zones. Warships will soon have women on board. The first 2 women naval aviators are set to soon operate from the flight decks of warship and stay on board the vessel. The Indian Air Force has so far taken the lead in crushing internal resistance to induct women into active combat.